James Watt. He was an inventor of steam engine. He was born in Greenock, Renfrewshire, Scotland, the United Kingdom on 19 January 1736. His father's name was James Watt and mother's name was Agnes Muirhead. His father was a ship owner and contractor. He had a brother named John Watt. He was not a healthy child and suffered from toothaches and migraines in his childhood. Due to this medical condition, he was unable to attend school regularly and was mostly taught at home by his parents. In 1754, he went to Glasgow and got acquainted with Robert Dick through one of his relatives working at Glasgow University. Robert encouraged him to master the skill of instrument making by working as an apprentice in London. In 1755, he met John Morgan, an instrument maker, who agreed to teach him the art of instrument making with a little pay. After his training, he returned to Glasgow in 1756 to start his own business of mathematical instrument making. In 1757, with the help of his friends at the Glasgow University, he opened a shop in the university campus and was appointed as the mathematical instrument maker to the university. In 1758, while he used to study and repair scientific instruments at the university. In 1763, the most crucial moment of his life arrived when a professor brought his attention to a Newcomen steam engine that was not working properly. From 1763 to 1765, he investigated the Newcomen engine and found loopholes in it, which were needed to be rectified for its proper working. In 1764, he married his cousin Margaret Miller. He had 5 children. After a study of 2 years, in 1765, he devised a unique way to modify the engine to improve its working, which led to the invention of the steam engine. To this day, it is considered as one of the greatest achievements of all times. Over the years, he improved the working of steam engine through his revolutionary ideas and inventive thinking. In 1768, he entered into a partnership with John Roebuck, who urged him to make a steam engine, which he did. The following year, Watt took out the famous patent for a new invented method of lessening the consumption of steam and fuel in fire engines. His wife died in childbirth in 1772. In 1777, he again married to Anne McGregor. They had 2 children. From 1780 to 1790, he invented numerous techniques to improve the working of the steam engine and patented them. This includes rotary motion, double-acting engine, parallel motion and invention of the pressure gauge. In 1784, he was elected as a member of the Royal Society of Edinburgh. In 1787, he was elected as a member of the Batavian Society for Experimental Philosophy in Rotterdam. In 1806, he was conferred the honorary Doctor of Laws by the University of Glasgow. He died in Handsworth, Birmingham, England, the United Kingdom on 25 August 1819, at the age of 83. "A light can run around the world before the truth can get its boots on," said James Watt.